Hi everyone, this is Jessica with jessicapalace.com. I want to invite you to watch this short video. It's going to give you a few tips and tricks on how we incorporate protein. And protein is a big one for me. As a fitness competitor, I need to make sure that I'm putting the right nutrients into my body. And as a mom, a busy mom of two, busy kids, I like to make things fun, I like to make things quick and healthy. So today what I'm going to do is just share with you how I incorporate protein into our lifestyle. So simple, protein is great as a shake. You can have it as a meal replacement, so depending on whether we're doing the meal replacement or just a pure protein powder, you can incorporate this into any of the recipes I'm chatting about today. So protein shake, it's self-explanatory. Trying to make sure that you're not using, juice or milk. That's sometimes a lot of added sugars and empty calories. If you can find a protein powder, we like to use one that we just need to use with water. So it's really awesome and it cuts down on our expenses. So one of the things we like to do, especially on the weekends, Sundays we like to do pancakes. So we incorporate the protein into our pancakes, and that's really good to make it fun for the kids and get them cooking in the kitchen with us. The other thing we like to do is oatmeal. So finding an oatmeal that you love, I pretty much love all of them. I mean, I like to have a mix. But if you incorporate some oatmeal, add a little vanilla or cinnamon, and then what you can do is once it's done cooking, you want to cool it down. So you're going to cool it down to an edible temperature, and then you're going to add your protein and a bit of water, make it nice and creamy, and it's going to taste awesome. So after that, you can incorporate apples or blueberries or raspberries if you're cooking, or even coconut is nice just to mix it up a little bit. So another thing we like to do is incorporate protein powder into making muffins, and whether those are for lunches so that your kids are getting that extra protein, you can have them for breakfast. It's really quick. So if you'd like more information, log on to jessicapalace.com, become a member, and find out some more fun things that we like to use protein with. Have a great day.